Welcome. Today we're going to tackle a frustrating issue: connecting problems on the Messenger app for PC. If you're having trouble getting connected, don't worry. I'll walk you through some effective steps to help resolve these issues, especially with the latest updates in mind. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with a simple solution. Close the app and reopen it. It may sound basic, but sometimes all it takes to fix a temporary glitch is a quick restart. So, completely exit Messenger, then launch it again. You might be surprised at how often this can solve the problem. If that doesn't work, the next step is to log out of your account. To do this, click on your profile photo in the bottom left corner of the app. From the menu that appears, select Log Out. Once you've logged out, enter your email and password to log back in. Alternatively, you can choose Continue as your username. This refresh can help reset your connection and get you back online. Sometimes, a device restart can work wonders as well. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. From the options that appear, select Shutdown. Wait about 30 seconds before turning your PC back on by pressing the power button. This helps clear out any temporary settings that may be causing connection issues. If you're still experiencing problems, try connecting to a different network. Go to the Notifications area and click on the network icon. From there, you can switch to another network to see if that improves your connection. A different network may offer a more stable connection. Next, let's check your internet connection. Again, click on the network icon in the Notifications area. Ensure that your connection is stable and that there are no issues. If your network is acting up, you might want to troubleshoot your router or reach out to your internet service provider for assistance. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing issues, it may be time to uninstall and reinstall the Messenger app. Press the Windows icon and type Uninstall App. Find Messenger in the list, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the action, and once it's removed, go back to the Windows icon and search for the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Messenger and click on Install to download the latest version. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any connecting problems on the Messenger app for PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Messenger and other apps. Happy chatting.